Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe. You are eating very healthy food. Okay children, so this is class 4th science and lesson number 3. The lesson number 3 name is Animals, How Life Goes On. So we have seen what is the life cycle of cockroach as well as frog. So now we are going to see and learn about what? Life cycle of butterfly. Okay, life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so first, this is the first stage children. Here in the first stage, in the leaves, on the leaves, the butterflies laying eggs on the leaves. Okay, the surface of the leaves. Do you know children what is the surface of the leaves? Where the lamina is present. Okay, in the second stage, these eggs are there. Yes, these eggs are converted into caterpillar. Okay, here the first stage is what children? Eggs. Next, the eggs are converting into what children? Caterpillar. So, what is the spelling of caterpillar? C-A-T-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Okay, next one is pupa. This is the third stage, that is pupa. And then the fourth stage will be larva. So, in the pupa after the stage of larva, here you can see the stage of larva. What is the spelling for larva children? L-A-R-V-A. And then this larva and this converted into the butterfly. So, this is an adult butterfly. This one is what children? Adult butterfly. Okay. So, even the adult butterfly is also laying the eggs, but not all, like, and the larva of housefly or a butterfly is also called as maggot. The larva of the mosquito or butterfly is also called as maggot. Okay, what are the fourth stage children that we have to see? What is the first children? What is the first stage children? That is eggs. First one is what children? Eggs. Okay. Second stage is caterpillar. Okay. Caterpillar is what children? See, you can see in the page number 160. In the page number 160, you can see this one here. The stage 1 is eggs, then it is converted into caterpillar, then stage 3 is pupa, then stage 4 is adult butterfly. Okay. So, the larva of a housefly is called as maggot. The larva of butterfly is called as caterpillar. So, here this stage children, this stage, the caterpillar stage, this is a larva stage. Sorry, this here not, this is a larva stage. Okay, what is the second stage children here? Okay, what is the second stage here? Larva. So, what is the larva of caterpillar is called as, sorry, the what is the larva of butterfly is called as caterpillar. What is the spelling for caterpillar? C-A-T-E-R-P-E-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Okay. But the larva, this is the second stage. The second stage of housefly is called as maggot. That is called as maggot. I can write anywhere. Okay. The third stage is pupa. So, in the pupa, children, this pupa has a concentric circles in them in silkworms. Okay. Here the pupa is a closed structure. It is a closed structure where all the like caterpillars is present in that structure. Okay. And that structure is formed after the caterpillar, that is larva stage. After the larva stage, it is converted into pupa stage. So, the third stage is called as pupa. Okay. Now, next one is called as, what is that is called as adult. So, that is fourth stage is called as what children? Adult. So, here I am writing adult. So, adult means the butterfly and the mosquito and the silkworms, that is adult stage. Okay children. So, now you have got these things. Okay. Adult can be any of the insects. It can be like butterfly, it can be a what you call as housefly, lice, ticks, anything. Okay. First stage will be the eggs, right? It can be in any water, like on land, on water, anywhere. Okay. Egg. Next is caterpillar. This is about the butterfly, means insect. This is all the life cycle of insects. Okay. Next is larva stage, next is pupa stage, and next one is adult stage. These are the 4 stages of insect. Okay, understood children? This you have to keep in your mind. Okay, what are the four stages of insect that you will be answered will be the eggs, larva, pupa and adult. Okay, and how this life cycle will be going on. Okay, first eggs, they are converted into larva stage, means caterpillar or maggot. Maggot in the housefly. Okay, then it is converted into pupa, a closed structure. Then it is converted into adult. Okay, how this is converted into adult? See, the butterfly is coming out of pupa and then it becomes the adult butterfly. Hope you have learned so many things in this, children. What are the 4 stages? Eggs, larva, pupa and adult. These are 4 stages. Okay, children. And the larva of housefly is called as maggot. Okay, children, this you have to learn. Okay, children? Yes. So, these life cycle will be going on of the butterfly when they get all the necessary condition and favorable condition itself. Okay. So, obviously, all the eggs are not converting, only few eggs are converted into adult butterfly. Okay, children? So, this is the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay. So, now we have, in this chapter, we have concluded what, children? The mammals, okay, the animals which are laying the eggs, and what is the smallest mammal living in the world, that is kitties, hog-nosed bat. Okay, that one. And what is the life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a butterfly, life cycle of cockroach, all we have seen. So, this finished our chapter, and along this we will see the animation videos also. Okay, children? Okay, so I hope you have learnt all the things and you can check it out. Okay, please try to learn all the things, children. Take care, children. Bye.
A butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch, and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. These series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis.